Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Articulating Borescope with Screen from Matco Tools. This is an ultra-thin 3.9mm inspection camera that articulates 180 degrees in both directions to give technicians access to tight engine bays in confined service areas. Next is the GripEdge Tools 39-piece triple square master bit socket set, which is available in a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive sizes. Our third tool is the Portacool VORTEX Precision Cool Kit, which is designed to deliver targeted cooling for trailers, docks, and people. This kit is an add-on for the Portacool Apex 700 evaporative cooler. Our fourth tool is the Ascot Supply Smart Lock Storage Cabinet, which is constructed from fully assembled 16-gauge all steel with a durable black powder coat finish. Finally, our last tool is the AUTOOL Digital LCR Tweezer, which is a multifunctional portable LCR tweezer with a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 0.5%. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.